In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload photos to iCloud. We'll walk through the simplest, automatic way to keep your iPhone or iPad photos safely backed up and perfectly in sync across your devices using iCloud Photos. Start by opening the Settings app. At the very top, you'll see your Apple ID banner with your account details. Tap that. Next, choose iCloud and then tap Photos. On this screen, look for the switch labeled Sync this iPhone or Sync this iPad. Turn that on. That's the key step. Once it's enabled, your device will begin uploading your photos and videos to iCloud in the background, and any new shots you take from now on will sync automatically. Here's what to expect. The first upload can take a while, especially if you have a large library, because your device is preparing thumbnails, matching items already in the cloud, and sending full-resolution copies. You'll often see a small status message in the Photos app letting you know that it's updating or how many items remain. That's normal. Just let it run. A good network makes a big difference, and uploads typically move faster over Wi-Fi. If your connection is limited, the process may pause and resume as conditions improve. With syncing on, everything stays consistent. Edits you make to a photo, like cropping or filters, appear on other devices signed in with the same Apple ID. Organizing changes, such as adding to albums, also carry over. Keep in mind that deletes sync as well. If you remove a photo on one device, it goes to recently deleted everywhere for a limited time before it's permanently erased, so you still have a short window to restore it if needed. iCloud Photos works best when there's enough iCloud storage available for your library. If space runs low, some items may wait to upload until there's room. Within the photo settings, you'll also notice options that help manage local space on your device by keeping smaller versions while storing originals in iCloud. These can be helpful if you're tight on storage, and you can explore them when you're ready. That's all there is to it. By turning on Sync this iPhone or Sync this iPad, your photos and videos start backing up automatically and stay up to date across your Apple devices. Let it finish that first upload, and from then on, everything you capture is handled for you. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with having your memories safely in iCloud.